Hello and welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by AnnualPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew. All aboard to Answertown. The question goes as such. How do I remove pollen from my swimming pool? Rob?
Well, the reason why you'd want to remove pollen from your swimming pool is, besides it looking unsightly, it can leave a yellow line around your tile. But I think the biggest effect of pollen in the pool would be going through the system and getting into your filter and clogging like a cartridge filter specifically, or even DE grids. So you'd want to try and remove that before it goes through your system. A couple easy things you can do is get a skimmer sock, put it in your skimmer basket, and that's like a fine mesh material, almost like pantyhose, and it's going to catch the pollen before it goes through your system. You can also get a fine mesh skimmer net and attach it to your pool pole and kind of skim the pool. If you don't want to do that, you can get a product called Pool First Aid by Natural Chemistry, and it's got natural enzymes and water clarifier to help remove all the pollen.
And if you've gotten to the point where you've already got a bunch of pollen in your filter, if you have a cartridge or a DE filter, then you can use the standard Filter Clean chemicals that are made by Natural Chemistry, or any you can find in a big box store, any pool store. You can also use a muriatic acid bath or soak, which is very useful in cleaning anything in your cartridge or DE grid. Just kind of salts the earth. Nothing's going to grow there again.
And just a little bit of acid. I think it's like 10 to 1.
Yeah,
10 parts
exactly.
water, 1 part acid.
And you can also use, I believe you can use a vinegar bath, which is a little bit more green. It's not as harsh, and you don't have to worry about burning your skin like you do with the acid. So if you have any ways of cleaning your cartridge or getting pollen out of your pool, feel free to leave a comment down below, and we will gladly critique it. If you have any questions, and for anything pool and spa, please visit us over at AnnualPools.com. Thank you for joining us. Bye.